I think I see it right here. What do you think? What you need to do before you try to make any picture is to reduce the difference in contrast in the middle and the sides of the screen. So the middle of the screen isn't so much lighter than the sides. Hi guys, it's Anita here, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to improve on your taking pictures of your art skills. So you can take amazing pictures of your drawings, of your sketches on your iPad or even on your real paper art. Doesn't really matter, it can apply to any kind of art. I will do it in 4 important steps. It will be hopefully pretty easy to follow through. I hope, I don't know. Let's just begin. Make sure to watch the whole thing because everything will be really important in this video. Alright, so the first thing you need to think about is the location. So you need to take a good walk around your house and really find the best spot. Oh my god, my house is really a mess right now. Walk around and try to look at 1, the background, some surface that will be matte, pretty natural, and yeah, something like this, for example, you know? So we will use that. And the second thing is the lighting. What you need to do is find a room. The best room will be with light walls, like white walls, for example, because they reflect the light really well. Other thing is if you have multiple light sources, so not only one, but a few in the same room. It can be 1 fake lighting, fake lighting, second a window, and it would be the best if you also had second window from the other side in the same room. But it's probably you will not find a perfect place in your house, so just try to compromise a little bit. What will be the perfect? I think I see it. It will be right here. What do you think? Is it a good place? I have like a window right here, and right there, and right here, and right there. What I mean with the lighting, why you need to have multiple sources and why the one source needs to not be too strong, it's because, like you see my hand, it creates really big contrast between this side and this side of my hand, you see? Like, it's not really so good, but it's not so strong anyway, and you can see the dark side of my hand pretty well too, so we will go with that. Let's take my tablet and see how it will look like. Alright, by the way, I will use a tablet for this, but you can also just use this tutorial for sketches on paper. Alright, as you see, if I hold my camera like this, there's no real light reflection. It's nice because from here you can see like light reflection, but not from here. So it's really nice. I have a sketch like this. What you need to do before you try to make any picture is going and turning this a little bit down. See how much better it looks like? This way you can make a picture, your tablet look more paper-like. You see? Hi, I don't know if you see me pretty well, but I hope so. I will be taking pictures with my phone, so this tutorial will be more realistic for you all because I know that not everyone has a good camera. So, what are you doing? So let's begin. Alright, so number 2 will be different frames and angles. So I will show you how I make the picture. With 4 fingers you can like tap your screen and this thing will go away. So like this. See? So I see that this picture is like square and it doesn't really fill everything when I try to, like, it's too close to the edges right here, so I'll just go and resize it a little bit like this. I will try to make a picture. Or so number one rule is to not cut anything out, like you leave the whole drawing be in a picture like this, or you cut out a lot like this, you know? Because if you do it like just a little bit, if you do it like this, it just looks like it was accidental, you know, like it was by accident, and I don't know, it just doesn't look too good. So, or make a picture of the whole picture, or make a picture of really a close-up, you know. And the next thing is to try out different angles, like this, maybe more from there, there, and try to zoom in maybe like this. So just have a lot to choose from. Number 3, I guess, will be the extras. So try to surround your drawing with some extras that you used for creating this artwork. In this situation, it's only the Apple Pencil, but what you can do is like lay your hand on this drawing and do this kind of work in progress kind of picture, you know? It makes it just a little bit more interesting, so that's a nice extra. Alright, so the last step will be editing, and it can be pretty important if you can't get the best lighting, if you can't get the best temperature. What will you need for editing? It's basically just VSCO, or even if you don't need a lot of editing, then you can use Instagram editing options before posting. So that will be not difficult. So I use VSCO most of the time. So if you want the noise effect, which I really love for sketches for sure, then you can go to VSCO, because even the free version of VSCO has the noise effect. So that's nice for sure. But there are only 2 very important things that you need to check and improve on if it's not really good in your editing of your picture, which is the temperature and the lighting. Lighting, not lightning. It's lighting. Don't try to get any lightning. So I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so the first thing I do is, of course, opening VSCO, opening my picture, rotating it, and I'm adding a little bit brightness. And the next thing I do is immediately going to Tones option in VSCO to reduce the difference in contrast in the middle and the sides of the screen. So the middle of the screen isn't so much lighter than the sides, you know, and it just looks better and more paper-like. Then I add some contrast, and then I'm going to I think, most important part. I'm going to saturation options to turn it on and off, so I can see if the white tones are too warm or too cold. And then when I catch which side it is, cold or warm, I'm going to the white balance. In the temperature thing, I'm turning it colder if the paper is too warm, or the other way around, you know what I mean? And this way I can get the paper or the screen to look seriously like almost black and white. And it's pretty important, because when you post on Instagram, it might be not so easy to catch with your eyes, but when you have it on your gallery on Instagram, and it's comparable to other sketches, and one sketch is cold and one sketch is warm, it looks really bad. It just looks really bad, so you need to fix it every time. And right here I just added some grain, and that's it. You should be done by now, and just save it and post it on your Instagram. I'm sure if you'll follow those rules, you'll improve on your drawing pictures a lot too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was informative. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if it was easy follow through. Because I don't know if I'm such a good teacher as I think I am. If you like this video, make sure to give it some love, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below about what do you think if you tried this tutorial, and just tell me anything you want, you know. And if you want to see my face once again, then make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so you get notified every time I post, which can be really random. That's why you need to turn the bell icon on, because you can't seriously never know when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.